to Global Lens, where we get you top stories from around the globe, starting with Taiwan. Now, households in Taipei were rattled after a 7.0 magnitude earthquake struck some 32 kilometers off Taiwan's northeastern coastal city of Yilan on a Saturday. The quake, with a depth of 73 kilometers, was felt across Taiwan. It shook buildings in the capital as well. And in fact, it was the second major quake to strike the island in just a week after a 6.1 magnitude earthquake struck Taiwan's southeastern coastal county of Taitung on Wednesday. Now, Taipei's city government said there was no major damage reported in the immediate aftermath, with some isolated cases of damage including gas and water leakage and minor damage to some of the buildings. Now, viewers, there are more than 3,000 homes in Yilan briefly who lost power as a result of this earthquake. Visuals, in fact, on your screen are showing you the exact impact and the moment the earthquake struck Taiwan's. In fact, it was in the capital city which witnessed a major impact of this earthquake, although tremors were felt across the island. Now, the quake, with a depth of 73 kilometers, was felt, as I said, across the island, and it shook buildings in the capital city. It was a 7.0 magnitude quake that struck off some 32 kilometers of Taiwan's northeastern coastal city of Yilan. Now, viewers, this was the second major earthquake to strike the island in just a week. Comes after a 6.1 magnitude earthquake struck Taiwan's southeastern coastal county of Taitung on Wednesday. At this point, no major damage has been recorded and no loss of life as well. Taipei's city government said there was no major damage in the immediate aftermath, but has warned of aftershocks. Although some isolated cases of damage, including gas and water leakage, and some minor damage to some of the buildings, was also reported. In fact, about 3,000 homes also lost power. But fortunately, no loss of human life was reported in this earthquake that struck Taiwan, the second major earthquake to strike the island nation in about a week. Visuals on your screen are showing you, in fact, the exact moment the earthquake struck Taiwan and the immediate impact of it. As I mentioned, some of the buildings were impacted. They suffered minor damage, while water leakage was also reported in some other areas. But it was a pretty strong earthquake. In fact, 7.0 magnitude is what we're talking about, and comes right after a 6.1 magnitude also struck Taiwan. It is, in fact, the second earthquake to hit the island in just about a week. Viewers, on your screen, the exact moment when Taiwan was in fact hit by the earthquake. A 7.1 magnitude quake is what we're talking about. Buildings are shaking in the capital city, in fact, visible on your screen. A pretty strong and intense earthquake, in fact, is 7.0 magnitude, comes right after a 6.1 magnitude earthquake as well. It, in fact, is the second one to hit Taiwan in just about a week. Now, fortunately, no human loss of life has been reported, but tremors were felt, in fact, across the island. And some of the buildings were, in fact, reported minor damage, including gas and water leakage as well. Now, more than 3,000 homes also lost power briefly is what we're given to understand. So second earthquake striking Taiwan, in fact, in just about a week is what we're looking at, a 7.0 magnitude quake. Tremors felt across the island, but fortunately no major damage has been reported across Taiwan.